guys, it's Shay here. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can already tell by today's title, today we're doing a hair tutorial, which is something I haven't done in a minute. I know I haven't done this in my channel in a little while. But when Ywigs reached out to me and told me that they wanted to send me these gorgeous locks, I could not hesitate. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed today's tutorial. This video is actually sponsored by Ywigs, so thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, I have these gorgeous ginger locks that I installed myself. I can't wait for y'all to see how I did it. And y'all know I recently went ginger, so I had to definitely switch up, you know, the look and try something new. I'm in just my era of just trying new hairstyles right now, and I'm literally loving it. I'm just feeling like the Little Mermaid right now, and I'm just so here for it. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this look, by the way, this is their ginger boho locks. It came just like this, curls and all. And the curl jar is a real human hair, and the quality is literally so good. Shipping was super fast. This literally cuts down the time of you actually having to sit there and actually add the curls yourself. I did add a few curly pieces in the front. That was just me being, you know, wanting some more curls and just wanting it to frame my face a little bit more, which is the only reason why I added those. But that literally took me a few seconds. But y'all can see each lock is literally designed to perfection. Has so much human curls in there. You of course have to take care of them, like water and leave-in conditioner, which is what I just did. But the maintenance is not that bad, and the hair is really such great quality. So once again, thank you to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this look because I'm literally loving it, and I could not, you know, pick a better spring break hairstyle. Y'all know spring break is around the corner. Summer is coming up. Y'all gotta get on these locks, y'all, because they cut down so much time. Imagine having to sit there and put each of these curly pieces in there yourself when you can actually buy it and purchase it just like this. Yeah, perfect. Ywigs sent me 4 packs of their 22-inch locks. It's actually perfect length. It's not too long, especially being that it's getting hot. It falls literally right on my butt, and I'm 6 feet tall, so it's literally just perfect. So depending on your height, it'll fall differently. I also installed the locks lower to give me a longer look, which you guys will see shortly in the tutorial. But besides that, make sure you guys will follow me on my socials, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright y'all, let's get straight into this hair because baby, when I tell you I found the perfect spring break slash summer slash protective style, oh yeah, it's up. I'm rocking these ginger boho locks from Ywigs. They sent me 4 packs and I'm literally obsessed. First off, let's talk about this color, the ginger she's eating. These are the products that I'm going to be using for just maintenance and as well as doing my locks. This ginger is just so vibrant, so cute, and best believe when the sunlight hits, baby, it's gonna glow. They sent me 4 packs like I said, and each pack comes with 24 locks in there, which is plenty to get that full natural volume look. And the hair itself is also human hair, so the curls will last me forever in a good amount of time. Now if you've never done crochet locks before, I got you. Don't worry, you don't even need no super crazy skills for this because it's literally so easy. I did also go in and add some extra boho hair just to frame my face. You don't really have to do this because the hair already comes super full, but this was just my personal preference, and I also had bundles just laying around, so I was like, you know what, let me just put them to use and kind of add some curly pieces to frame my face. This was actually super easy. You just have to attach the hair and just wrap it with the spring twist hair. Everything that I used was in the beginning of the video, so make sure you screenshot if you need so. But yeah, the spring twist hair, I found it at the beauty supply store. I only used 1 pack and I bought it in 16-inch, and I actually cut it in half and used it on my whole head. I only needed 1 pack. Some of the times my hair was kind of sticking out, which I will show you guys, and I went in with another piece just to make sure all of my hair was wrapped down. But yeah, you just gotta wrap them with your fingers and just roll them with the palm of your hand, and this is how it looks, y'all. Here's a closer look of how I kind of do the front. I go in with some more gel just to kind of make sure the front is slick, and then I take my spring twist hair and wrap it at the root and just make sure I'm wrapping it super tight. I like my hair tight because my hair grows really fast, so it'll loosen up really quick. So I personally chose to make them tight, but you don't really have to do that. It's really up to you and whatever works for you. And just kind of wrapping it in just the same motion over and over again. I will show you guys in some later on clips on how I attach the lock, which is actually very important because it gives you that seamless look where the lock doesn't look too bulky in your head. And here's me adding some more boho pieces because I just love the full look. Now here comes the in-depth tutorial on how to attach your lock. So first you want to stick your finger in the hole. Sometimes it takes a little while to kind of get through it, so you kind of have to push the lock down a little bit and put your finger in there just like so. And then you're attaching the crochet. So you're taking a crochet needle and sticking it in your braid, just kind of like downwards a little bit, not at the root, because the root gives you a bulky look. So I attach it lower on my braid, as y'all can see. Then I'm taking that same hole that I had put my finger through, but I'm only taking a small piece and not the whole thing, just again give you a seamless blend. So then I take the back of the lock and just pull it through. Sometimes you gotta play with it and get the boho pieces out of it just so it can look seamless, but you guys will see how the knot just looks super slick. That way I'm able to wrap the hair and not have super big pieces like poking out, if that makes sense. So here you can see the knot looks seamless and it's not too big. Now I'm taking my spring twist hair. Like I told you guys, I cut it down in the middle, but because my hair is longer in the front, I would have to go in with another piece to kind of wrap it. But yeah, it's just pretty much the same motion. As you guys can see, I'm at the root, wrapping real tight and holding the lock as well as my braid, and making sure that I'm wrapping everything really tight, just so everything can hold and last me a good amount of time. Later in some clips, you guys will see my hair was kind of poking out, so you will see how I went in and added another piece. And just so I can kind of like have this spring twist hair sticking there, you guys can see that. And I just kind of like wrap it again, and then just take my palms of both of my hands and rub them together just to make sure that the lock stays secure. So yeah, if you're looking for a fire protective style that's easy to install, long and lasting, and just straight up gorgeous, Ywigs ginger boho locks are literally tea. They're literally it. They come with the boho human hair already installed. I mean, what else could you ask for? So make sure y'all check out Ywigs and grab your packs and get into this look. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions and let me know what y'all think. And of course, all additional information as well as a link to this exact hair will be down in the description box. Enjoy the rest of the video. Love y'all.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off, I used to sleep at your crib. Should drop out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could find something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. We got things to do, so put your ass in the car and come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so put your ass in the car and come through. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait to see the cook up.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging, and I go hard, that's why they keep talking.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if y'all are liking this look and if y'all would do something like this, because I'm loving it and I just feel like I'm just spring break ready. If you guys want to see more tutorials and stuff like that on my channel, let me know down in the comment section below, and let me know when your spring break is, because I want to know what the movie is. Okay, because I'm ready now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Peace.